Well, take a look. We're getting closer. Motor's in. All my idler arms, belts, and so on have been put on. It took a long time to align the silly motor and the various pulleys. The next thing, I got to reconnect my rotational power remote control for the chutes, and then I'm going to add the up down for Snowzilla. Got to put the battery pack right in there. That's going to go across these 2 points right there. Battery pack will be in there like this kind of thing, right? And then my connection to either the Gator or the skid steer is right here. These babies here, you might recognize them. They're off a zero-turn lawnmower, Grasshopper. Cut them up and used them, perfect. And yeah, we're almost ready. Let me know what you think.